standing there looking at the flag, and then he was there. Oh,
Are we about to take stables too? Cause yeah,
they're swarming it. They're swarming it.
What's going on? Is everyone just trying to hold the lumber mill, or what?
I don't know what's going. Nobody's at the lumber mill now.
No, for the Alliance.
Oh,
Is
we're
like
talking about
everyone
from the
there?
Oh yeah.
we've had one wave come here. It was a good attempt, and it's like the Alliance.
Rogue.
Are you being stalked by Rogue? Check this out.
Oh, here we go. Nice.
He's gonna run. He's running. Boom.
I wonder if he's gonna run down the road. That'd be fun to intercept him.
No, they went up that
The other way.
spot in the hill. That
Oh.
the side spot there. There's a boomkin druid with them too, I think.
Oh shit.
Oh man, they're coming back. They're coming back. Oh no, that's us.
Oh, I was gonna
We're
say.
taking the fourth one.
I was like, no. They've assaulted the stables. We're assaulting the stables, huh? Shit. We get 4. We'll be done in no time.
We are, anyways, at this point. 14:45 out of
Being
15.
stalked by our fucking rogue again.
What? Did you forget I could do that? They got a healer back in the bushes.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh. Thanks for catching that.
Ah, nice.
Don't leave. Boom.
Oh.
Yeah, 870 bracer.